गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोर्मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः। My name is Venkat Subramanian. So I am working in Vyoma Linguistic Labs Foundation. I am a part of certain seva karyas, like we have an Apat Sahaya Foundation, as Madam told, where we are helping these rural kids and tribal kids in their education. Then we have a Geeta Govinda Samskrita Sangha in Jikadagar, where we teach Sanskrit. We have been teaching it for the last 20 years. My work is related to Sanskrit e-learning. So I have a company which I run. So where about 8 to 10 people are there. We are working for promoting Sanskrit through technology. So this is my introduction. My father and mother are the people who motivated me. And my earlier guru who told me was Mr. Srimati Anantalakshmi Natarajan. Just as she told, it is the effect of those gurus that we are able to do all these sevas. Nothing runs as we plan. It is Guru's Kripa which is running. So regarding this course, first thing, so Madam told us that you have to attend. Why can't you attend this course? It is lot of benefits. It has lot of benefits. So I am the last person to give. Till now in my life, I have never given importance to health. I have always been running around from here and there. We have never given importance to health. But this course has told me that points which Madam has told, that if you take care of your health, you can do lot of sadhana later. You can do lot of seva later. So you have to take care of the health. Health includes body, mind and other things. Whatever Madam told, that was very appealing to us. And then the Sudarshana Kriya itself. The Kriya, we can't explain in words. We can't write a essay or a blog regarding the Kriya and say this is how it is. But what we can say, what I understood from that Kriya and the research behind that Kriya. Guruji, when he has given this Kriya, he has done a lot of research. I am trying to give and package it in such a way that it is beneficial to all of us. Believe me, I have studied all the Shastras, I have studied the Vedanta, I have studied the Advaita Vedanta. What he has given as Soham is nothing but we are Jivatma, we are going to merge with the Paramatma. Soham, Aham Brahmasmi. That Parama Vakya which is there, which is given by Adi Shankaracharya and what is given in the Vedas is what Guruji is giving to us as a Soham. And the Kriya along which that we give, it is definitely cleansing us. Believe me, we experienced it. The 2 days when we did the long Kriya, first we didn't get sleep, as Madam told. Then another thing, we thought we will get sleep after we do this long Kriya. We didn't get sleep. The other thing is, in the office, if I was planning 10 activities on that day, previously I used to do only 3 to 4 activities. But ultimately, that day and those 2 days, I exceeded expectations. I could do all the previous activities and those 2 days activities. That is what I planned and extra. And we both are working in the same office. He was also there. We were talking about this in the office after we completed the day. So that was the effect of this Kriya. It is the ultimate Vedanta which Guruji has given with lot of research. We should respect, we should have gratitude, and we should thank. We gave gift to each other. We all didn't give any gift to our Madam Guruji. So we should thank her for being so considerate and telling all the values, irrespective of this one. I could see the passion in her eyes. See, we are also delivering courses. We are also delivering Sanskrit courses. Only when you have passion and ultimate Guru Bhakti, you can deliver a course like how she has delivered. It is not easy to deliver such courses 3 times in a day and with the same passion, with the same motto. It is not for praise, it is out of my heart, Madam. I am telling it is not praise or something that I should tell in. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Namaste.
My name is Vishwanathan. I work in a company called Hindustan Unilever. So, like Anna was telling, this course really is a very, very big differentiator. some of us, when we were talking, the experiences which are there, it can be really felt. What happens, sometimes our parents, some guru tells something, we are able to listen to it, we go home, we forget it. When they are telling it is nice to listen, we think we should follow, we should do something, but when we go home, we forget. That is theory. Here it is direct, practical, in a small package like a capsule, like a tablet which Guruji, of all his years of tapas, research, age, whatever, he has given it in a nice capsule package for us. And this is the minimum mandatory thing we have to practice, is what we feel. Along with whatever daily rituals which we may have at our own place. Along with that, this really, and we can clearly feel that, sir, going through the 7 layers in this course, though I missed 2 days because of a official trip, unfortunately. But even in the days when we did the long kriya, we can easily follow going through those layers, starting from my body, finally till the Atma. All the 7 layers we could really experience. So practical experience, and the summary of, we did not today go to Himalaya, do research with the Acharya, understand this and come with a solution for ourselves. Already that is done by Guruji. We only have to practice this for our benefit, for the Loka benefit. So that way, it is a great boon for us, Varaprasada. It is a Varaprasada for us, and wholeheartedly I thank, she is Mataji for us now. Lata Mataji for us.